Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with probably the square icon or 3 bars icon, and then you will be transferred to the recents. On the other hand, if you've got the gestures, just like I have right now, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, but do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps, and basically if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all with only one click, just tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got the information that the device is in optimal condition, and of course we can enter to check. Here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.